I messed them one up. Now you lose 2 points.
Okay.
Oh, it's a sample size formula that I'm looking at. Okay, it's not the margin of error.
Yeah.
You figured it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not, you have to use it to, it's part of this formula, the margin error, but it's talking about the sample size when you don't have, for some reason I was thinking it was the margin of error formula. When you don't have a estimate for P, oh wait,
Okay.
P is available, not the P hat. P is available. What is the sample size formula? Based on the margin of error, and that's what I just, yeah, that's what it's about. So thank you for trying.
No, sorry, I wasn't fast enough. Okay, let's hop on our quiz.
That would be P, wouldn't it? Number 3.
Yeah, just the regular P.
No fancy hat.
Where's my quiz?
For true.
And population proportion. Yeah.
This would be greater than, right? Greater than 0.10. And that is for the first one, right? True?
Yeah.
So 4 is true, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hypothesis tests are satisfied.
Also true.
Yes, because if that formula is satisfied if it's greater than 0.10 or greater than 10, I think is the
greater than 10, right?
Yeah. Then it's
is that
means
10 times P is greater than 10. So that's satisfied, and then N.
Yeah, should be greater than 10, yeah.
What?
No, the requirement is to be greater than 10.
N times P is greater than 10, so yes. And then also the N times 1 minus P has to be greater than 10. So that's true.
Yeah.
For hypothesis. Okay. Find the point estimate portion. So is this the long equation that we need to do?
So it's 45 the 60n and 45x.
Yes. So are we doing oh, we're not doing the confidence interval right now.
So I've got 0.75.
I got 0.75 too.
Okay.
How did you, which equation are you using? X over N?
Yeah. It gives us the p hat.
Yeah.
Is that how we say it? Is it p hat?
The P with the hat?
Is that what? I thought we were just nicknaming that. Is that the technical term?
That's what I'm wondering. I'm trying to think. Is that?
It makes
That's
sense.
what I read. P hat, but I didn't know if that's what you say. P hat.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Create a 95. So this is the long.
This is where you need to know the 1.96
Yeah, determine margin of error.
square root. Let me get my formula. This is where my calculator doesn't work. Ugh. I've got to go grab my other calculator. See if I do a better job.
So,
Margin of error. So. So it's 1.645. 645 is the P score. I mean Z score.
so how much was for question number 7?
I got 0.110 as a final answer.
Over 60.
5 by 60.
What do you have for your equation? Do you do 60 times 1 minus 60? That doesn't sound right.
I did 1 minus 0.75 divided by 60.
Oh,
0.75 brackets 1 minus 0.75 brackets divided by 60. And then we got to square root it.
sorry. Okay.
So 1.
This is where I get my formula. So it's going to work out. So you square root it times the
I got 0.092. You guys think that's wrong? Tori, Elvis, what did you guys get for that?
I don't even know how I got this answer, but I got 0.1096.
Elvis, did you get an answer yet?
I mean, I'm still. Is the formula like Z divided? Wait a minute.
Z times,
P.
yeah, times
Multiply
1 minus,
1 minus P.
yeah, and then divided by N.
Okay.
So just double checking, Z is 1.645, right?
We have a 95 confidence, no?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be 196.
0.752. What did you get, Tori?
0.1096.
Yeah, I think
We're
you
all
guys.
getting different answers.
I'm not trusting my calculator. Let me go get another one.
So we did 0.75 for P, right?
Yeah.
And then 60 for N, right?
Yeah.
So let's make sure we're all using the same formula. It's the
Okay.
P hat plus or minus the Z.
Are we supposed to use 75?
0.75.
Yeah.
That's what I was wondering. Because P, that's P with the hat. Is P with the hat equal to P?
Yes.
I think I used 0.75 actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
use
use
0.6.
0.6. That's what I use is 0.75, but I don't know if that's right.
That's what I used too.
Oh, you did use the 75?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. Divided by
I'm going to get this different calculator.
cubed answer times 1.645. I'm still getting 0.092.
It's just a question like for this score, what you put?
1.645.
I thought was the Z score was 196 for 95%.
It is?
The Z score for should be.
Maybe I was using the wrong z-score.
No, you're right.
Wait, for z-score?
Yeah,
Wait, where do you see the z-score at?
that's where you plug in the 0.95 in the normal probability applet. Oh, aren't we supposed to multiply that thing that we...
I thought we multiplied the Z score with the P, no?
Yeah.
Z times the square root of everything, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I did that and I got 0.092. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
0.10.
You get Elvis as your z-score?
No, I think I probably did it wrong. My Z score I thought was 196, 1.96.
Actually, that's my z-score. I don't know why okay, my numbers are 0.75 and then my z-score is 1.96.
Oh. What did you highlight when you did the 90%? Or 95? Oh, you just highlighted the middle, not the left side too?
Yeah.
So you're right then. Are we just supposed to highlight the middle?
I don't know. That's what I did.
Okay, let me look it up. Z-score of 95. Oh, wait. Yeah, you're right. 1.96. Sorry, that was. Sorry, I don't know how I got that number.
Oh, we're on number 7, aren't we?
Yeah.
I was doing something wrong. Sorry, I gave you guys the wrong. I was working on something else.
Times. So for this
the margin
1.2.
error.
So the final answer is
So this we just use the applet, right? And we just put in there our z-score.
So Tori, what did you get for your final answer?
Like rounded and everything.
Not rounded first.
Oh, Point,
Or
oh, 0.1096.
oh, me too. Okay. Hallelujah. Okay.
So what's the formula? Because I gave you guys the wrong one. What formula did you guys use? I was doing a confidence interval, but how did you find the margin of error?
So margin of error is the z-score times the square root of p times 1 minus p all over n.
Then you round it to 0.110, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so lower.
And then for the lower bound, we just take 0.75 and then add 0.1096.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, subtract, not add.
You what?
We just subtract.
Oh, yeah, for the lower.
Yeah.
0. 0.75. But do we do the rounded number?
No. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, we take the previous number.
Yeah.
So 0.64, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then 0.75 plus 0.110 is 0.86. Hey, Abigail, are you with us? Did you figure it out?
No, I have not. So I did the one for the margin error. I'm not getting that one right.
You're not. So just go to lesson 17, and it's just control F margin of error, and it's right there in section 3. Okay. If you increase sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen? It would decrease, right?
Yeah.
Because with a larger sample size, you're going to narrow it down more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it decreases. Yeah.
I think the hypothesis 2 requirements.
So NRP. It should be 20. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, so it can be greater than 10,
Mm-hmm.
right? Is that okay? That makes sense.
Yeah, the smallest should be 20 and then can be 30, 40, 50.
Okay, that makes sense. So for this, it would need to be 100, right?
Yeah.
Greater than 10. And 1 minus p. And 10 times. Huh? You haven't? Okay. Love you. Be careful. Okay, sorry. So 13 is true, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it.
The condition.
P.
Here.
is 0.475.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And that's because you do 80 divided by 38, right? No?
Yeah.
38 divided by 8.
So 38 divided by 8.
Okay. Fantastic.
The test statistic, that's where I realize I get mixed up. Statistic is the same
Yeah.
formula.
Hey.
They should give us an Excel spreadsheet for this one.
Yeah, I'll get them. Okay, love you. Bye.
Is that the same one as constructing and interpreting a 95% confidence interval? Is that formula? When you do find this test statistic? Or is it just finding the z-score?
I think the test statistic is the z-score, right?
I think it's that long formula that we have to do.
And in that long formula is the constructed 95%. That's
one.
why I realize I get mixed up with the test statistic, which is the same as. I think that's what I realized. It's like the same as what Tori says, same formula as that long one.
Right.
But in the Excel sheet, we are just look it up.
Well, okay, yeah, because I'm confused because I just searched it and it says the test statistic is z equals value minus mean over standard deviation.
In lesson 17,
What?
we got that from lesson 17.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Oh, well then maybe that's all it is.
So on the lesson video, he plugged it into Excel. Do we have that graph? I mean that.
Oh, is it the T applet, T probability applet? Is that what you're talking about?
No, he did this. And you plugged in the 80, the N. You plugged in the X, and then you had the answer. He said you can do it longhand or you could use the Excel sheet, and it's something you can use in your exam. And I'm like, what sheet? Excel sheet is that? Did we get that one? Is there another one on our inference? Excel sheet at the bottom?
I don't know. So I'm gonna do the value minus mean over standard deviation, and I'll just see if that's wrong.
Okay.
So it'd be 38.
And then open up my quantitative inference. I watched the video, but I never got a chance to look up and see Excel sheets.
Wait, that doesn't make sense because we don't have a mean. I think we're overthinking this, but I can't figure out how.
But
on this Excel sheet, I'll have to ask this test what I saw in the video. Okay, let me see what's on my notes there.
I have like, I remember I found like a spreadsheet that does the thing. But
On the spreadsheet.
yeah, I remember this spreadsheet was from the test, from the exam. It gives you with a p head. It's called Z test and everything. But
Mm-hmm.
I just found it and you put it there, but I don't know.
Is 60% 0.60 the
I don't know why I'm so confused on this one.
What
what
if
we could do? Move on and do all the ones we can and go back to the ones that are taking us more time. We need the answer. We need answers to finish. No, never mind.
Is it the p hat minus p all over the square root?
that's
What?
what I think it is.
Yeah, I agree. Because I think that the z-score is our test statistic here.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 0.475 minus, but what do we use for p then? Would it be 0.6?
Oh.
You know?
No, I didn't say no. I said, oh, sorry.
Oh,
I'm trying to look at my notes here.
50
p.
Would it be 0.475?
That's the p hat. I think p is, I think it's 0.6. Ugh. I just want to get this test over with. I'm going to say 0.6. I'll do that. All over. Easy.
And what type of test you want? Do you want smaller or equal to?
So in our homework, it
Less
said-
than.
That's that.
So in our homework, it has the test statistic is z equals p hat minus p divided by the square root of p, or whatever the answer we had for p
Now,
brackets
my
1
answer.
p divided by n. So is that what the one formula you guys are using?
I mean, I use a spreadsheet, and my answer is minus 2.282.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, one. Let me see. 1, 2, 5. Divided by
Did you say 2.82?
Minus in front.
Oh, let's see.
Wait.
Oh, I think I did this wrong.
Because I didn't do anything, I just put them in the spreadsheet. So
What spreadsheet?
this is z-test for a proportion, one sample.
Where though? Is it under the inference spreadsheet? Which spreadsheet do
Yeah.
you have?
I can email it to you. I remember I found this when it was during the exam. There were like a bunch of spreadsheets there. It's like, use this one. So I download them all.
Yeah, is it under the lessons?
to. As I said, I can send you this one I have. I don't remember.
Okay.
I know I had the zip that I downloaded the spreadsheet.
Can you attach it to the group chat?
Yeah. Let me just see.
Mine's way off. It's like 41,000 something. So that's not right.
I think try P is 0.1.
0.1.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
share you. Let me share my screen so you can. I mean,
Okay.
over, but so I touch something.
Yeah, I
Choose a
saw
link.
that.
Let me shot.
Tori, where'd you get 0.1?
So can you see this?
Yeah, where did you find that? I saw the teacher use it in the homework video, but I was like, where?
Oh, that's in the categorical data analysis.
Yeah, that's what it says here. Copy of categorical data analysis hat with a hat. P with
Yes. I have that
Under the
too.
data files?
So I put the data here. You see the X38, 80, confidence 0.05, knowledge 0.6, less than. Here's the Z-score.
That's probably right. Maybe that's,
And we have the p hat here, like how we found it. So this is did it for itself. So I didn't do anything.
Yeah, let's go with that. But is it negative though?
2.
This is as negative because it's less than. So let me change it to greater
Okay,
than.
so it needs to be negative
Now the p-value
2.28.
changes.
So it's negative 2.282 then, right?
Yes. I mean, supposing this is right.
Oh, I would assume so if everything got put in right.
I'll be right back.
I gotta find that categorical. You said it's under all these zip files. It's under
And
categorical.
yeah, let me see if I can. I mean, I can email this to you.
Okay, that would be great. Yeah, he told us we could do it longhand or we could use the Excel sheet. I was like, where do I find it?
Easier the better. So then p-values on there too, right, Elvis?
Yeah, the p-value changes with the type of test we do.
So it was less than
P-value.
Less than, yeah, the p-value is 0.0.
0.0.
Let me see the p with the hat changes or not. I'm just experimenting here. Don't mind me.
Okay. Okay.
And so the p-value is 0.011.
So say that again. Sorry, I was
0.011.
Then we would reject the null hypothesis, right?
Yes, because it's a p. Yeah.
if it's low, reject the HO.
So it's the third one, right?
Now, when we reject this, because I just did this with a teacher. Let me see if I remember this.
I think it's the last one.
If we reject the null hypothesis,
No, because we reject it. Oh,
yeah, we reject it. So there is sufficient evidence.
My son is sleepwalking right now, so I'll submit it and I'll tell you guys what I got wrong.
But which one you did? The fourth or the second?
I did the fourth one.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
Which one do you think, Elvis?
I think the fourth, because we mentioned it's been decreased. So
We got 100%. Okay, I gotta go.
Well, what about the
All right.
project?
The what?
Oh, yes. That's right,
Project?
Tori. Thanks. I was wondering
Oh.
what that was step. Right. So, do you have it, Tori, up? I got to review it. I
Yeah,
just saw the email. What are we required to do?
we're supposed to create a research question based off the interests of our group. So, like, and examples are there 1,000 chips in every bag of Chips Ahoy? Or are brand A paper towels stronger than brand B? So, like, we have to come up with something like that.
And it's due this Saturday, huh?
So, did you say it's due Saturday?
yes,
Yeah.
this Saturday.
It's due this Saturday.
All right. Do you guys have any ideas right now, or do you want to email back and forth?
We can email back and forth.
Do we have
Okay.
to come up with our own then?
All together, yeah.
We could each come up with one, and then we can pick whatever.
Okay. Yeah. We can do that.
Okay, well, I'll email you guys, and I'll figure out an idea and email you one, and then
So what do we need to come up with then? Just come up with an idea of what we want to test?
yes.
Yeah, pretty much a study.
Someone come up
Yeah, we
with
should
a
come up with an
protocol?
easy study.
Yeah.
Okay, an easy study. All right. Okay, thanks everyone.
A study we can find easy the data pretty much because we have to collect the data,
Have
discuss.
to do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
Hey,
Okay. Take care.
guys. Bye.